We get bombarded with a lot of stuff on Instagram every single day, so it can be very easy to lose some posts you want to go back to. So if you do want to go back to a post you liked before, here's exactly how to find all the posts you ever liked on your Instagram account. Now let's start off with mobile first, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iOS or Android like me, it works pretty much the same on both operating systems. So first off, once you're in your profile, simply go up to these little three lines at the top right here, and then click on your activity. Then you can go onto likes right here, and there we go, the history of all the stuff you've ever liked. And it's mostly just stuff that I've published. Does that make me a narcissist? Now let's do the same but for Instagram.com. So once again, you want to go into more in the bottom left right here, and then go onto your activity. Click on that and you'll be taken to this menu, and straight away, as you can see, we're in the like tab and there's everything you ever liked. You can also go to the comments, story, replies and reviews tabs as well instead. Then to make it even easier to find what you're looking for, you can even sort and filter via plenty of different things in order to find exactly what you are looking for. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about how to retrieve liked posts on Instagram, both on mobile and desktop. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more on Instagram and other social media in the future.